Hello guys, Zendrop makes dropshipping easier, but it's not always flawless. If your store's facing order delays, tracking glitches, or product syncing issues, you're not alone. Let's break down the most common Zendrop problems in 2025 and the fastest ways to fix each one. So, while Zendrop offers faster shipping than many suppliers, some products still default to 7 to 20 days. This happens especially with non-US or non-express items. The fix: always filter products using the US warehouse or express shipping tag before importing. For best results, stick to suppliers with reliable fulfillment histories. Now, another problem that you can face is orders not syncing with Shopify. So sometimes Zendrop orders don't show up in your dashboard, or the tracking doesn't push back to Shopify. In order to solve this, navigate to Zendrop, navigate to Settings, and choose Store Integration and resync your Shopify account. Also make sure that your products were imported via Zendrop, not manually. So tracking links properly. Contact Zendrop support if syncing fails after reconnecting. Now, another problem that you can face is tracking numbers missing or delayed. So, are your orders marked as fulfilled but missing tracking? It's usually due to the supplier not updating Zendrop fast enough. The fix to solve this problem is give it 24 to 48 hours after fulfillment. If it's still blank, message Zendrop support with the order ID. And you can also enable auto-notify customers later to avoid sending out empty tracking emails. Now, problem 4 is pricing errors on imported products. So sometimes the markup or currency is off after importing a product. The fix: check your Zendrop pricing rules before importing, and you can also set fixed dollar markups or profit-based margins. Review each product manually before publishing to avoid showing $0 items or accidental discounts. Now, another problem that you can face is supplier stock suddenly disappears. So it's very frustrating when a top seller goes out of stock without warning. Zendrop doesn't always notify you. So use Shopify's low stock alerts or a third-party inventory monitoring app. You can also contact Zendrop support to request restocking timelines or alternatives. So, most Zendrop issues in 2025 are fixable with a few setting tweaks and better monitoring. Stay on top of syncing, shipping filters, and pricing rules, and you'll avoid 90% of common headaches. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.